So, next part of this exciting video, this foundation is far bigger than it looked through it. I think it wasn't effective because it was in deep rather than out wide. So I'm going to concrete it in wider. Before I do that, I'm going to pressure wash the concrete using my pressure washer and my diesel generator to drive it remotely. And once it's been cleaned up, I'm going to leave it to dry, and then I'm going to coat it with a sort of rubbery compound, sort of concrete glue stuff. I'm going to make the hole bigger. I'm going to put in a whole bunch of concrete made with big limestone chips, and I'm going to put it back in again. And then after that we'll paint it. See, it's been stripped down with an angle grinder and a flat disc. So that's where we're at on day 2 of this project. Something always goes wrong. Seems that my Briggs&Stratton generator, having spent a few months in my garage over winter, has got a red warning light and is refusing to power anything. So I need to go and find out. I don't know, does it use a battery? Does it fire up a battery and the battery's not charged anymore? I'll need to go and read the manual. Okay, the manual says the red light comes on when it's overloaded and you press the reset button. So let's see if that works. Yes. We have power now. Oh god, it's gone back to the overloaded. I can't believe that this washer gets too much power for this. Look at this generator running 2 circular saws. Reset again. Straight on to overload again. If I put the washer off, I still understand this at all. With the washer off, it's okay. If I put the washer on now, straight onto the red. Run! Not at all. So it's going straight on to overload as soon as I plug in this washer. It's really annoying. Try a different plug. Generator is powering this 1000-watt pneumatic drill. No problem at all, so I don't know why it's not powering up this washer. The washer is 1300 watts, the generator's rated to 2200 watts. So what's going on? I'll get back to you. So we now have the pressure washer connected to the mains power, and it's It's working fine. Pressure washers are a real pain in the arse. And the reason is that you need to have a water supply. So if you're doing it in odd places, you know, you need to be able to get access to a tap. And you need access to power. Now it's not going to run off my generator. That's going to be a real problem. So I need to work out why a generator rated to 2200 isn't running a washer generated to 1700. Even with the spikes it shouldn't be. You know, I've had two heavy tools running off that generator. You know, taking up much more than 2000 watts. So I need to find out what's going on. It wasn't the fuse, it's working fine. Just the generator doesn't like it. Why not? I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments below. So I was going to cut this stone, as you can see here. I was going to cut it in half so that it would just go into a new lump of concrete and make a more solid connection. But you know, having messed about with it, it really is as solid as a rock, so to speak. So I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to clean it up like this, and then sink it in new concrete with a bit of a bonding agent. I don't know if that's going to work, but there's no point in cutting this in half if it's perfectly good stuff. I think I'm going to get the concrete saw and cut it in half. I think it is just, it's too difficult to deal with, because I'm into a clay bed now, so that is the maximum depth, but I want more volume, so I'm going to need to go out and around it, so I'm going to have to cut it. So today is one of those days when everything goes wrong and it becomes a much bigger job. So it's all happening today. We're now on the concrete saw. Let's just hope it's got enough fuel to cut that in half. And of course there's a matter of the steel post being in the middle of it, but we'll see. Usually once you cut all around something like this, you just need to tap it with a chisel splitter and it breaks open. Not this time. It's you know, I've sawed all the way around this and it must be stuck to the pole because it ain't budging. But we'll give it a few more knocks. So yeah, you don't know if you can see, but it is stuck to the pole. So it's not just going to come away, unfortunately. Going to have to use more sawing or hit it with a sledgehammer. Yeah. This wasn't meant to happen, but when I started using the chisel in the gaps, it split the whole thing in half. So we've now got the pole totally free, which will be interesting. I don't think I'm going to do it with the other one because it looks quite nice. I think I'll just replant that, but with this one, let's use completely new concrete. See how we get on. So that was you can never tell when you start hitting things with a hammer what's going to happen to it. Maybe if it's granite, a good crystal structure, it'll keep its form, but if it's concrete, quite often just cracks and falls off.